Hey guys, do you want infinite balloons? Yeah, that's what I thought. Because, yeah, BEDWARS, they're apparently bad at patching glitches. I found a way on how you can get infinite balloons. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's go into a match. I'm going to do Mega Planes only because it has the most diamond gems out of, like, the entire game. I think we can all agree with that, honestly. It's mega. Dude, join already. Yeah, thank you. Neutral and spectator. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, why are there so many teams? Orange, pink Charlie. That's Alpha. Well, oh, I have kit skin on from that other video. But basically, what you have to do, sorry, I just had to say this, one like equals, they should not have removed 100-player game mode, because we can all agree, it's the best game mode out there. I don't know why 30v30 is so amazing to everyone, it kind of sucks. It's like way worse than 16v16. Also, I'm going to put this random number generator to a random number. I'm actually going to raise it by a little. It's now going to be 15 from now on. Let's see what we get. 13 likes. You better not let me down. Alright, now with that out of the way, we can now buy ourselves some blocks, which we can use to bridge the middle to get ourselves the balloons. We're going to go for 128. That's really funny. I just combined really and very, and it was like rary. Such an epic word. If you like epic words, then subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah, let's go to our first diamond generator. Give me okay, I got 4. I can already get tier 1. That's actually pretty funny. We could just go to the bases, but like I don't want to get confused which one's like everyone else's base. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. I just got home from school. Finally, I can get some words out there. Where's my B? I just saw a B. Thank you. Give me my B. Alright, I forgot I need to do tier 1. That's gonna help me so much. At the end, I'm going to like put these B's in a B gen. But for now, let's get some more blocks. And then I'll get myself a B gen. Beehive. I feel like no one calls it Beehive, they just call it B gen now. Boop. Oh. I can never figure out how I like place it like the right way. Alright, let's insert that B. Why does it take so long to insert a B? I always wonder that. Let's keep our net out just in case we see any notifications of a B around here, so I can collect them and get myself some emeralds. You see, because this is the best kit to use to get emeralds, in case you didn't know. I remember the iron chest plate glitch, but it might take us a little bit to get all these, because I mean, like, look at all the diamond generators. There's like 8 diamond generators in this game. I just noticed how stupid of a mistake that just was. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, I'm not the best at building a computer. Oh my gosh, my dumb veins. Yeah, in case you didn't know, IRL, I'm extremely skinny, and I have to do a thing where if I'm an epic gamer for too long, I recommend you guys mute or mute your iPhone or iPad, or I don't know, whatever device you're watching this on. I recommend you mute it for this part if you don't like gross things. I'll give you 3 seconds to mute it. 1, 2, okay, no 3. Skipping over the 3. That's how swaggers I am. Basically they just pop out sometimes, like when I game for a while because I'm so skinny. And I have to like push them back. Yeah, I know it sounds so wrong. That's why I said to mute it. Yeah, you can unmute it now. Oh yeah, I forgot you can't even hear me, like, if you're muted. I'm so stupid sometimes. Oh, I'm actually starting to see quite a few bees on this map. It's so rare. I don't know why, but bees are... Are you kidding me? That is so dumb. My gosh. This map, like, I don't know what it is. Just get a bunch of blocks here. Let me do that. I'll also grab myself another B-gen. Of course that had to happen. My luck with like stuff like that is so bad. I hate whenever I fall through gaps because then people laugh at me in the comments. No, don't share that laugh with anyone, I swear. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got our B net. We're gonna collect like 2 diamonds from this generator. 5, okay, that's more than 2. Obviously very big brain. Wish I could edit my head in the video right now and make it big. Like big brain. I'm not sure if I should start editing on the computer and try and find out how to edit. If I should, just like, I don't know, like smack the like button or something, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Need to get all these diamonds again. I feel like I'm actually getting more diamonds than it was last time. I don't know why. Are the diamond generators like quicker or something? I don't know. I need to get 6 more diamonds, and I'm just gonna upgrade the generators from like a different base. And this time, I'm not gonna make the mistake. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, thank you. And now all the bees abandoned me. Are you kidding me? There was a bee right here. I didn't know bees did that. I didn't know they were like tree orbs. Like Elder Tree is kind of stupid sometimes. Like after like 5 minutes, the tree orbs just abandon you. Give me the bee. This is so dumb. Wait, hold on. Don't tell me the freaking bee. Are you kidding me? Oh, I have enough, I think. Yeah, if I go back. Oh my gosh. I can't believe these bees. This is so sad. This is going on the permanent record, I bet you. Yeah, I have 20. I can upgrade the generators now. Unless I epically fall, which is probably going to happen, let's be honest here. I'm like the Flash, I run so slow. Like that just made no sense what I just said there. Well, yeah, comment down below your favorite fruit or something, and I might give you guys some free Robux. It's just so random, but like, I love it. Yeah, I like grapes. I don't know about you guys. I also like balloons. Like balloons in Bed Wars. I wish like Bed Wars IRL, you just take a balloon. That would be like the funniest meme. Like the Vaughn, if you're somehow watching this, do a Bed Wars meme review video. Or something like that. And make it so like it's like Bed Wars IRL, take balloon and fly. Fly! Wait, did I just get an emerald from a B-gen? Like, no cap? Sure. Oh gosh, I only have 1 B in that gen and I got an emerald. Oh gosh, the glitch is still there. Wow, oh my gosh. I thought they would have patched that by now. Okay, give me a sec. Give me a second. I need to like do a comparison quickly. Okay, here we got ourselves this is so disappointing. I'm so disappointed in you, Bed Wars devs. Here we got ourselves a Tesla coil trap. Here we got ourselves a B-gen. They look very similar, as you can see. When you climb the Tesla coil trap. Oh yeah, right. You can't climb it because Bed Wars is pretty good at fixing bugs. Now let me just drop these right here. So I don't die with them and look like an idiot. I don't care if I die with this iron, okay? We don't need iron anymore. When you climb the B-gen, do it. Yeah, you suffocate. You used to be able to do that with the Tesla coil trap, but they fixed it, so now you can walk through it. Like Bed Wars, like bro. Like my guy, Bed Wars. Like, dude. Alright, here's how you do the glitch. I know you've been waiting like this entire video. As you can see, there's a max amount of balloons, and after that you'll be like, OMG, how do I get more balloons? Well, great question. I'm glad you asked. Throw all your balloons into a corner. Then, buy more. You see where I'm going with this? Yes. Then throw those balloons into a corner. Oh yeah, and then the next step is subscribe to Killer Chicken YT. Because like what I think that was honestly the first step of this process. And then get some more balloons, and then just throw those into a corner. And then you can get some more yeah, I think you guys get the point. Basically throw all of your balloons into a corner like this. Okay, and then you just walk into the mall and wait. What the heck? Dude, my balloons! Wow. Balloons. What the heck? Don't tell me they actually patched this. Wait, hold on a minute. Did they make it so you can't pick up balloons after you drop them? Wait a minute. Oh no, wait, what? What the heck? What is this? I think it's glitched. Okay, anyways, it might be like a little bit buggy, like a tiny bit. Dude, my generator should be like popping out all this iron over here. Look, see? I have 8 balloons. Wonder how I got that, huh? Yeah, I haven't reached my max amount yet. You see where I'm going with this? Look at all these balloons. And then if I buy some more, ooh, I'm at my max amount. Whatever will I do? It's pretty easy, let's be honest here. Okay, you just need to do that. It's called science, my guy. Am I the science guy? And oh, I just lost a balloon. I don't know, it's a little bit buggy, but like, okay, maybe BEDWARS did fix it a tiny bit, but like, see, I have more than I should have. So I can literally just like, oh, I just threw my balloon over here. Let me go pick it up. Dude, they made it so you can't pick up balloons, but I somehow got more balloons than I was supposed to. That's so weird. I don't know. This is so buggy. Give me the balloons, and then I just pick those up. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with the game right now, but basically what you can do is you can just 3 balloons, 3 more balloons, and another balloon. That popped. Are you kidding me? Thanks for watching. Like the video. Oh yeah, and also buy the merch, please.